did not know what I was doing with my body.
Long story short, if you're considering Bikram yoga or hot yoga, just don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. It was really nice. Hopefully the rest of the day I just feel all flexible and loose and ready to go. All right, you beautiful people. I'm finally going to pick up the bike. Hello there.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm on, how are you?
Doing all right. How's it going?
I'm on, how are you?
Good. I'm John.
John? Titus.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
I like that.
Pleasure. Thanks so much. Thanks.
Are you familiar with the Africa Twins at all?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay.
You gonna say what's up? Yeah, it's the first bike wave. First bike wave on this thing. You know, Utah, you're kind of speaking to me right now. This place feels very sterile, very clean, almost soulless.
Alright, that's enough!
But then you start to dig into it a little bit and whoa. And then, you know, you almost get hit by a train. That's what it's all about. That is what Utah is all about, baby. What? Salt Lake City, we're out Salt Lake. You guys have a nice environment in your stadium, man. Meanwhile, we giving up goals in the 90th minute.
We have yet to win a home game.
No home games in the beautiful ass stadium.
FCC1! FCC1!
Also, their freaking mascot is a rock star. They got Leo the lion out here looking Rastafarian. We got Gary, family friendly fun Gary. It's ridiculous. It's going to be a cold ass morning. It's going to be a cold ass morning. Look at it, yo. Just excited you get. Cheers to a hot girl summer. Woo-woo. I know God breathed on this. I know God breathed on this. Yeah.
We made it.
We made it, dog. Final night. Finally got jazz. I think this is jazz. It might be blues. It might not even be jazz. It's some good stuff. All right. Peace. It's been a blasty blast. Now we're waiting on our lift.